Hey, welcome back to our channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Sina Mohajer with Mohajer Law Firm, located right here in Arcadia, California. We specialize in family law, criminal defense, civil litigation, and personal injury. Now, you might have noticed we've taken quite a bit of break from our last videos, and for good reason. We've gotten extremely busy with the firm. We have been growing, taking on more cases. We've recently moved to a bigger location, allowing us to hire more staff to help the legal community and helping legal assistants with their particular case. But I have to say, take this opportunity to real quick thank all those who sent me those messages inquiring about when we're gonna start these videos back up again. It truly warmed my heart to find out that the content that we provided went to good use and it was actually informative to the viewers. So thank you to those who've been sending those messages. We've received them loud and clear. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead, hit that like button. Please go ahead and subscribe as well so you're always informed of any new videos being posted. And if the content in any of these videos have been helpful to you, or you think it might be helpful to someone that you may know, please share that video, because at the end of the day, this is what we're here to do, is to give that knowledge and information to our community to better serve them. Now, without further ado, I'd like to welcome those who are new to the channel and returning to our brand new series called A Walk in the Park. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss specifically the divorce process. I want to provide you a step-by-step guide in what to expect when you file for divorce. Now, I've got a lot of other videos in the library that dives deeper into the nuances and details about every stage. So please, if there's any time where you are confused about something I've said, please go back and look at those videos for more information. But for today's purposes, we're gonna keep it breezy. Step one is you're gonna need to file the initial petition for dissolution. Now, when you do so, you are essentially suing your spouse, but not in the same sense as a personal injury case or a breach of contract case. You are suing your spouse and requesting the court to finalize your divorce, sever that marriage, and allow you to start your new chapter in your life. So the first stage is going to be the petition, and then once you're done with the petition, you need to properly serve the respondent, otherwise your ex-spouse. And to serve them, you're either going to have to do it personally, or they're going to have to accept service in any other fashion, where they do sign an acknowledgement and receipt of that service. Stage two of the process is going to be your disclosure requirement. In any type of family law case or, divorce case, you're going to have to provide your preliminary declaration of disclosures. This sets forth all the assets and debts that you believe the community has. It designates other assets and debts that might need to be separate or characterized as separate property in order to be able to facilitate and move the case further along. Without the PDDs, the court does not have jurisdiction to terminate your marriage, so it's very important that you meet that requirement. In stage three of the process is going to be the discovery stage, or even possible settlement discussions. If you're able, you and your spouse are able to come to a full agreement on all the terms. That includes spousal support, if there's children, custody, visitation, and child support, as well as division of assets and debts. You can avoid making a court appearance altogether. And what you do in the stage four would be a stipulated judgment. But in stage three, this is where you start discussing a settlement to figure out what issues you can agree to and what you cannot. In stage four of the process, if you have an agreement, is where you need to start preparing your paperwork for a stipulated judgment. Again, that sets forth all the rules and all the agreements that you and your spouse have entered into. And the court finalizes it and you are done and you start your new chapter as a single person. But if you can't come to an agreement on every single issue, this is the time where you take the case to trial. And in trial, as you have to present evidence, you do have to speak to the judge, and the judge will determine how things are divided or how or when you get to see your kids. So if you have any questions about your particular case, or if anything in this video was informative that led you to further questions, I welcome you to contact our office and schedule a consultation with yours truly. I'm happy to sit down and discuss your case in more detail. Again, if the content in this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share, so that way the rest of the community can be as informative as you.